Okay, my lovelies, greetings, greetings, greetings. I'm back with another video, and I am working on some altered file folders, and these are loaded envelope corsets. And I sell these in craft fairs, but I am working on bringing these to my Elegant Creation store and my channel in the future. But I just wanted to let you all know that I thank you all so much for watching my channel and for all your comments and your support. And I have not had time to answer comments, and I'm so sorry for that, because I like to acknowledge everyone who takes the time to view my videos and to comment on my videos. And so I will be coming back and answering some of your questions and your comments in the near future, but I am kind of backed up right now, and so I'm going to try and get these orders out. I have several orders that I need to get out, you guys, and I am a little bit behind, but I want to show you these altered file folders. These are created from file folders, and they are loaded envelope corsets. Loaded envelope corsets. Forgive me, I need some sleep. But anyway, you guys, yeah, just wanted to say thanks so much, and I appreciate you guys so much. And I will be back with some goodies to share with you, and I'm probably gonna do a show and tell on how to make these file folders. Yeah. So thanks so much. I appreciate you. Much love.